Let me tell you a story. It's about a boy who hated books. He wasn't lazy, he wasn't dumb. He just didn't feel anything when he opened a textbook. The words sat there like strangers, cold, flat. No color, no voice, no emotion. But give him a phone. Oh, he lit up. His eyes sparkled. His brain danced. He felt alive. He could scroll for hours, one reel after another. Stories, drama, humor, comedy. Now here's the twist. That boy was me. And maybe, just maybe, it's you too. Or your students, or your children. You see, I didn't fall in love with learning in school. I fell in love with it when I saw a YouTube creator turning chemistry into comedy. When a podcast made me feel like I was walking through history. When a science TikTok explained gravity using popcorn. And that's when I realized that learning wasn't boring. It was just badly packaged. So here's the question that changed everything for me. If we can make people addicted to social media, then why can't we make them addicted to understanding, to aha moments, to the joy of knowing something new? Because let's be honest, right now, learning is losing. Losing to TikTok, to the addictive design of platforms that know how to attain our attention hostage. We say students are distracted, but distraction isn't the disease, it's the symptom. The real issue? We've made learning feel like a chore, and we've made social media feel like a dessert. I remember sitting in class once. The teacher was teaching something about the French Revolution. My notebook was open, but my mind, it was planning lunch. Then I got home and found a 60-second animated video explaining the storming of Bastille. And suddenly, it clicked. Why the textbook felt like a lecture, but the video, it felt like a story I was part of. So I wondered, what if we use the psychology of social media, the likes, the instant rewards, the feedbacks, and channelize into something that grows our mind and not just our screen time? You see, our brain loves learning and it hates being bored. Think of a brain like a piano, and social media plays on it all day. Notifications, high C, likes, low F, reels, the dramatic D minor. Now imagine if learning played the same notes, same emotion, same addiction, same engagement, but to growth. We are raising brilliant minds who can edit videos like a pro but terrified of mistakes. We are fluent in memes but freeze when asked to solve a real life problem. We know how to swipe up but we struggle to speak up. We can sit for reels at 5 hours but can't sit with ourselves for 5 minutes and wonder, what do I really want to know? But what if? Just what if, my friend, we could rewire that addiction? What if a child was addicted to solving puzzles? A teen couldn't sleep without completing a science quest. Classrooms felt like quests instead of cages. And yes, it's possible. Apps like Duolingo, Kahoot, and Quizzes are already gamified education. But the real shift won't come from apps alone. It has to come from us, from the teachers who stop teaching chapters and start telling stories, from students who just not memorize for exams but stay curious, from the parents who just not ask how was your day, but what surprised you today. Let me share something personal with you. Last year, I was just like any other teen, scrolling, skipping, stuck in the loop. But then I made a quiet promise to myself. What if I swapped 10 minutes of reels to 10 minutes of real discovery? And that's when I started following creators who taught things. And that's when I started watching TED videos like this one. And suddenly, learning stopped being a task. It became a thrill. So here's my challenge to all of us. Let's design classrooms that spark curiosity, curriculums that feel like quest, learning that doesn't feel like that feels like unlocking levels in a game. Learning that feels like unlocking levels in a game. Because the world won't be built by those who just consume. It will be built by those who stay curious. So the next time your hand reaches out for that screen, ask yourself, what if the next thing I tap opens my mind and not just my feet? Thank you.